Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how you can cancel your Viblo AI subscription. So in this order, to want to cancel your subscription, go to your Viblo accounts and then you have this account. I have just a free. If you have a premium, all you have to do, just go to this section from your account profile, click on your profile, look for profile option. You have a help center, you have a library. In this case, as I say, just select your profile. After selecting your profile, you will see in this page cancel subscription. So just click cancel. In this case, when you click cancel, you will see in this page, click confirm and then confirm your cancellation. So just go to your profile from here and then select your cancel. After that, confirm your cancellation. If you have any problem, you can write your name, the subject, choose cancel, write your email, and then how you can help, write send a message, and then click send. This is how you can do basically to cancel. I have this guide for you. Don't forget, give like and share this.